Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to sign out from Prime Video on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Prime Video applications, and if you want to sign out, here you just have to tap on this My Stuff option at the bottom. After, just go ahead to this gear icon at the top right. Now, go ahead to this My Account option at the bottom. In this page, we'll find out here the sign out options. So if you want to sign out from your profile or your account in a Prime Video, just go ahead to this sign out. And after, wait for a second. It will look like this guys. If you wanna use or if you wanna watching some movies, series or etc. in this Prime Video, you have to log in or sign in first. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.